This is a 2006 Jeep TJ, the last of the Mohicans. The TJ went away this year and the JK came after this, and this one is in really good condition. Now the carpets have all been removed long ago. It's got these fancy Jeep mats on it that look cool. And then of course there's not a back seat in this one. There's my recovery rope back there whenever I might need it. Of course it's never even been off-road with me. But the floors are in great condition. There is zero rust in these floors. There's no rust on this Jeep at all. It does have 219,000 miles on it, but the engine has far less than that. I'll explain later. The radio is not plugged in. I had that out for, whatever. It has air conditioning in it. It does have your auxiliary switches down here. As far as the, roof and everything, it's in good shape. It's still very tight. We can go to the outside. It's got roll-up windows, of course. The windows are tinted. And they're pretty easy too, so they're not like stuck or anything. We can kind of go to the outside, and let's walk around here and take a look at the engine since they got the hood up already. You can see there's the motor, and it will run well. It's in good shape. And as I said, I was going to say before, this engine has actually been replaced. It's got about 105,000 miles on it now, a little bit around that range. It doesn't leak anything. If you look underneath it, it's as dry as a bone underneath. It's well maintained. It's got a new battery in it and everything, so it's in good shape. Doesn't knock, doesn't make any noises. It does have a cold air system on it, but it has the snorkel based system. And I tell you, it just runs very well. It's an automatic transmission, as you saw it, so it's what I like to call an anybody Jeep. Anybody can drive it, whether you drive a clutch or not. And it does have a 12,000 pound winch on the front of it. It's got your lights here, it's got lights there, recovery points. It's got your high entry point bumper on there. It's got brand new tires on it, mud terrains. These are 33 1250s, mounted on some gold alloy wheels. It has a Rusty's 5-inch lift kit on it, all the way around. Of course, it has the adjustable control arms on the front and the back. It has the fender flares, as you can see on there, they're with the removal. And on this Jeep, I can tell you, the most remarkable part about this Jeep is not just the outside of it, but there is no rust. I mean, zero rust on it. All down here where they usually get rusty, or on the back they get rusty. And let's look even inside the fender wells. You can see the frame. And if you look underneath it, we'll throw the camera down here for a minute. You can see underneath there, those are where they usually rust out, is around where the cab is mounted, where the body's mounted to the frame. And you can see there is just no rust. I mean, this is zero rust. And then back here around the suspension mounting points is where they rust out real bad too, and you can see it. Look at that body. There is zero rust anywhere on this body and frame, just none. These things are known to have rust problems, and this one does not. That's because it came from Texas. And again, not even surface rust on this frame. I mean, you can see these cab corners are 100%. Look at this. I mean, there's no rust at all back here. And of course, there's your Texas sticker. And then OptiLube is a additives that I use in some of my diesel trucks and gasoline vehicles like this. It's got one little blemish back here, and it's where this taillight was broken. Something touched the taillight. That right there just cropped up because this just happened not long ago. But it has been, the taillights have been replaced. They're LEDs in the back now. I do have the spare tire mount. I just took it off, but I do have the spare tire mount, and you can open up the back end back here, and again you can look at that door. There is no rust. There's no rust in the floors. There's no rust along here. Anywhere there's rust on this Jeep. It is in really good shape. Again, it's the 2006, so if you know anything about these, when we look back at the inside, I want to show you something as well. See, there's no rust in the doors, no rust in the floors anywhere. But by 2006, they were getting ready for the JK, and they actually put trim panels on all this stuff in here. And the top, you can pop these down, and the front part of the top actually folds back, sort of like a convertible, so you can just expose the front part here. But the top is in good shape. I mean, I'll show you up on it. You can see it, and it's in good shape. There's no tears. It doesn't leak anywhere. It's extremely tight, so it's a very tight top. It has the Velcro, so it's panels apart. So if you're going to take it out, or take it off rather, you can take it off by panels. You know, you can take out like the back window if you wanted to. You can take the side ones off and still run like the bikini top on it, or remove the whole top if you want to. But all in all, this is in very good condition. I have had it for a little while. The only reason I'm selling it is because I just don't drive it as much as I really should. You know, if you notice over there, see I've got some Land Rovers. I do drive those sometimes, but I just have stopped doing most off-roading. And in fact, I've never even had this one off-road since I've had it. I kind of put it together as if we were going to do some off-roading, and I never got there.